Welcome back to a new episode. We're back again. Last week's episode, we were on with the smart car Roadster, Misery. So yeah, do some more filming of that this week, but this week's episode, we'll be focusing on this. It's not a Focus, it's a Peugeot 308cc. If you go back to previous episodes where we brought this is Jen's car, but over winter, we found another fault. The glow plugs starts trying to start like a tractor dog. Takes ages to start, but when it's like above about 4 degrees, it's fine. Still a little bit of white smoke when it tries to start, but we're going to get on with that now today. So the first job will be whip everything off under here, under the bonnet. Well, we've got to lift the bonnet first, haven't we? And then start working our way back. We've got to take the EGR system off. We're going to clean that as well while we've got it off, because I think that might have a fault, might be a bit clogged. Now we're going to buy a new one first, we can see if we clean it. There's a lot of people clean them. As long as the rod moves electronically, it'll be fine. We can test that. So, let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. And then, we'll be back with the smart car. I'm just waiting for parts, still waiting for stuff to dry out. So I thought it'd be a perfect time to whip this in quickly, and we'll get it sorted. So, less of the blather, let's get on with it. So in the time lapse, you see me remove the cover, the engine cover. Remove the whole scuttle panel again, because it just gives you all this room, because it ends about here. So you want all the room you can get, because we've got to get to all the stuff back here. See, look, the EGR's down there. And the glow plugs are right at the back. Great. So, next plan, we're getting this part off here, part of the EGR. So we've got to undo there's a bolt there, and then there's that weird clamp there, but I think we'll take it off there. Got to be careful we don't snap any plastic. Then we've got to remove that pipe again. I've already removed that once. And start working our way back, basically. I'm not going to take the airbox out because I don't think we need to yet. Because I know this pipe's, I don't really want to move that because that goes down to the turbo and that's going to be a mission. I don't think we're going to go that far back. We might just have to move it over by undoing this bolt here, maybe. We'll suss it out. I have watched a little YouTube video. It was on a 408 or 407, same engine, bit different, but that had a lot more room because it was a bigger engine bay. We'll suss it. We'll suss it together. In the comments below, what you did totally wrong, go for this. I've done this before. This is much easier. Probably was. But oh, look at all that I missed. That needs hoovering out. That's disgusting. I can't believe I didn't clean that last time I had this off. I don't know how I missed that. Unless that's new. I need to sort that out. That's bad. Slap myself around the face. Are you allowed violence on here? You are now. Okay, I'll put you back on time lapse. Fiddling, and I'll come back on camera for you. So that stage in the time lapse, you see me undo this EGR like pipe, the metal one. So we just undone this little clip here. I tried to take it off here on this flange here, but I couldn't get to the bottom one without undoing loads of that. So you just press these together and they go back together. It's probably going to be a twat to get back on. And then there's two 10 mils at the back there on top of that. So the next stage is, just got to pop that water pipe off there. I've got the clip out. And then there's some 8mm bolts at the back there. And then there's some more bolts. See there? There's one there and one on the other side. I had to release that from that to the manifold. I think that's the exhaust manifold. Let's get rid of the gases. Let's go back down into the intake exhaust or something down there. So let me try and get to these two little 8mm at the back of that. Then we should be able to undo it from that. So far, not too bad. Just trying to work things out. But I'm learning this. It's my first one. Everything's easier when it's the other way around. These are a bit of a tit to do, but we'll suss it. Right, let's get on to the next bit. Great. Right, we're almost there. What I've done so far off camera is there was one little, where is it? There's a little 10mm bolt here holding the heat shield on. At the back here is like a little blanket. I've just undone that, it's at the back. Pulled the heat shield up out the way. There was a little bolt here to undo where I've just hooked the harness off. This bit here, let's just move that up out the way. It was just you just undo them and it slides off. And then, what else have I done? I've undone where the elbow goes down onto the exhaust. Where are they? We had another two of these, one each side. You just can't film down there because it's that tight. So I put one that side, but I sprayed a bit of WD-40 first because they cracked off a bit. It felt like they were going to snap it, well, it's just because there's a lot of heat there. So they're off. I've just got to find, because sometimes the EGR valve, the other side, has two bolts running through, which are these, the 8mm ones. There's two of them at the back as you come through. So I've undone them, but on some of them they have one underneath. There's like a bracket holds it stable. So I've just found that, but I've just dropped the 10mm socket down the bottom. Luckily I've got another one. So I've had to right on the board over there, retrieve it again. Because remember when I did the turbo in previous episodes? Remember that? If you want to go back to the previous episodes, this when we brought in what we've done so far with like the turbo activator on the wastegate and stuff. Go back, have a look. See more misery. That was hard. That was almost an engine out job. Nah, it was all right. It was just, you can't see what you're doing. Fiddly. So, let me get that bolt off. I think it's a nut actually, behind underneath the EGR valve. Then hopefully, it should all come out. And then we can clean that, and then we can look at the heater plugs. Which please, do I just soak them overnight and leave it till another day? We'll have a look, we'll try and crack one off gently. If it's tight, we'll soak them. I did try and soak them earlier a bit while we were working, like spray it behind the what's called EGR manifold, but it was hard to get down there. So, all right, let me get on with it and we'll get back to you. And we should have the EGR valve in my hand and the manifold, hopefully. EGR valve off. EGR manifold, cooler, exhaust, whatever that is, off. Like I say, that's sat like that on top of the exhaust. And then this sits like that at the back of the engine. So this is down, this is the back of the engine facing me. Yeah, wasn't too bad. We had to find that little hidden one there. We found it in the end, that was quite solid and heat. The exhaust must have made it tough. I had to use quite a big ratchet. But yeah, we got it off. First impressions, you can see, I can see through that. Some little bits in there, but we'll try and clean it out with a bit of brake cleaner. But this, look. Let's get that taken. That is crudded. So we need to clean that out. Clean in there, that's all clogged up. So we'll scrape that out. I'll get a little screwdriver in there, try and scrape that, and then got some oven cleaner. Put that in it. Let it set for a bit while I try and do the glow plugs. So we'll leave that to clean itself. Well, not clean itself, but let the oven cleaner do its business. And then, hopefully, we'll get, by the time they're clean, we'll have the glow plugs out. I'm not looking forward to it, but we've got to do it, guys. We've got to do it. So, the glow plugs here. Savak. And they are, let's have a look. They just look like little pens. So that is it. That's what we've got to work with. And that is the, so that's not the thread, that's the thread. So it sits down that way. So this bit here is probably all corroded. And if that snaps, because look how thin that is. If that snaps, we're in a world of shit. So we've got to be really careful. We'll have a look in a minute, we'll have a look. Let's get these clean. We'll get some oven cleaner on them. And then we'll look at these.
Paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let nothing to.
As you see in the time lapse, I sprayed it all in there. I had a bit of mare. The lid kept coming, well, the cap kept coming off, so it was spraying everywhere. But let that do its stuff. As you can see, it's starting to, black stuff starting to come out already, so that's good. We'll leave that to do its thing. Let's do the glow plugs. Okay, come with me down here. Let me just zoom you in. So, there they are. See them wires? There's one wire there, one wire there, one wire there, and one wire at the end. So, looks like we've got 8mm on the end of it to undo the loom on each one, but we're going to do one at a time. So we'll get that wire off. I can't film this while we're doing it because I can't hold this and do that. Okay, so wish me luck, guys. Good news, glow plugs out, all good. Bad news, spot the difference. Sent me the wrong bloody ones, Oh well, I've just ordered new ones, gotta send these back. So that's gonna be a few days. But I'm glad they came out. They came out quite easy, which I'm a bit worried because then again, they look old, but there's just no corrosion, that's good. Just hope these ain't what the problem. It was coming up glow plug error, but I'll have to check the luminous in brake, see if there's a relay as well. But I've started to clean the EGR valve. Do I just get a new one? Well, I've got it all off. We'll see, we'll have a look at it now, see how it's cleaning up. But I just think I don't want to do all this again because it is a bit of a ball ache. So let's go and check the EGR valve out, see what's happening with that while it's being cleaned. That's still doing its thing. It is getting cleaner, look. See the polished bit in there? I don't want to touch it because I've just washed my hands. Let me see if I can find a rag. It is getting cleaner. Look at that. But do I risk it? Do we risk it? Do we risk it for a biscuit? I'll have a think about it tonight. I'm going home now because it's Saturday. Got some family time. Me and Jen are going to go out for a bit. All right, we'll have a little think about that. Okay, I cleaned this as best I could, but I still thought it was a bit not very good inside. £45. I think it was like 49 or 45. Can't remember. I'll try and find the link. I brought a new one. It's not worth doing it all again. So that's all back together, bolted on. New gasket in here. We've got a new gasket. Sock bit for when we do that. So the next thing is, let's get this back in. That can go in the bin, or I might just keep it on the shelf just for a rainy day. And then we've got all the fixings here. So yeah, I've already done not spark plugs, the glow plugs. They're in, done. Not too bad. I'll show that now. New ones in, look, glow plugs there, and one down there. All the wires back on. fiddly, because in the mirror, everything's back to front. And that was bad. Very bad. Right, I've done it. Let's get onto the EGR manifold. Okay, that's all back together. This is just WD-40 where I had to spray the back of to get the glow plugs in. So yeah, it's all looking good so far. No faults. I cleared the faults a minute ago. Plugged it in, I didn't show that, I just plugged it in. Cleared the faults. I'll wait this and I'll scan it again. Hopefully it's alright. Got this WD-40 to burn off. That's really good. Then I'll start putting the scuttle panel back in, engine cover on, and then just let it warm up. I'm going to put the extractor on because I don't want to die. And then I will get back to you, of course. So let me just do this. I want to make sure like I've got an airlock because the water went through that manifold. So I'll check the fluid. We'll let it get warmed up. Right, I'll back to you soon. So that's the end of this episode now. Moving on with this now. Everything seems to be okay for now. Good. So we get back onto the smart car now. So remember, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.